Hello everyone and welcome back to another adventure of Gone Fishing. So today I find myself in the beautiful mountains of Pecos, New Mexico. This is my first time fishing the Pecos River, so I'm really excited and let's see what we can do today. Catch you in a bit. As you can see, this is a very beautiful area. First time fishing these waters, like I said. Look at this area, it's just gorgeous. Making my way down to the water and I already see that it is spectacular. Wow. Here we go, folks. See if we can creep up on him from behind. There we go. There we go, baby. Right away, baby. There we go. Right there, baby. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Right away. Look at that, folks. Beautiful fish. What do we have? About a 12-incher, I'd say. It's about a 12. Pretty good fish. Hooked off. Alright, starting off the day nicely. Alright folks, I just pulled out a beauty from this hole right here. Let's see if we can do it again. That's a good cast right there. Let's come into that current. Oh. There we go, baby. Another one. Look at that. Big one. Big one. There we go. Let's see if I can net it. Come on, baby. There we are. Fish number 2. 1, 2. That's another big one. Look at that one, folks. That is a beauty. Wow. Love this river. Beautiful. Big fish. Hitting. Look at that. Just beautiful. Beautiful fish. Thank you so much, fish, for blessing me. Right over there. Perfect. Let it flow into that current. Nice and easy. There it is. Now bring it in. There it is. Look. Oh, there we go. Another one. Boom. And we are going to let that one go, folks. Ah, it hooked off. Perfect. But that was still exciting. Oh my. I love this spot. Let's throw it down that way. Beautiful cast. There we go. Get in. Oh, right away, baby. Right there. You see that? Boom. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Let's look at that. Ah, such a beauty. Look at that. Ooh. Maybe it'll hook off right here at the end. Hook off, fish, because I'm going to let you go. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Alright, come here, fishy. Let me wet my hand, and we're going to let you go. Okay, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Alright, come here. We're going to let you go, fish. There we are. Nice and easy. There we go. There it is. Go back. There she goes. Beautiful fish. Get a good cast. Same area, right there. Right into that. Oh, right away, baby. Look at that. Here comes another one. Here comes another one. Beautiful one. Ooh, this is a big one. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Beautiful fish. Wow, another beauty. Another beauty. There we are. Oh, and it hooked off. Perfect. That's okay, folks. There's plenty of fish in this hole here. So we've already caught 4. Let go 2 of them. And let's fish it again. Ooh, nice cast. There we go. Seems like they're all hanging out in this little current right here. Right there. And there it is. There's another one. Wow. There, look at that one. Beautiful fish. Look at that one. Beautiful. clear waters. Look at that. Just beautiful. I'm going to bring it in. And we are probably going to let this one go as well. There we go. Beautiful fish. Wow, that's a big one too. Oh, take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Let me unhook you. Possibly 14. And I'm going to try and consider keeping this one. So I think I am going to keep it. So let's try that again. Same spot. Got one. Got it. Right exactly where I casted it. Look at that. Another beauty. Another beauty. Look at that. Another beautiful fish. Wow. This is such an amazing spot. Alright, we're going to let you go, young man. Get my net here. Oh. Ah, come on, fish. There we go. Take it easy. Alright. Alright, fishy. Here we go. Let's let you go. Alright. There she goes. There she goes. Release that one as well. We're going to keep fishing this spot. Seems like they... Ooh, and there she is. Another one. Wow. One right after the other. It's crazy. Look at that. And I believe we will let that one go as well. Another beauty. Come here, beautiful fish. Oh. Oh, that's a small one. Smaller one. I'm going to let this one go also. Go. Go fish. There she goes. And there she goes. Let's see what we get. There we go, right there, right at the edge. Wow, these fish are hungry. And another one. A smaller one. But one right after the other, folks. And we are also going to let this one go. Probably the best fishing day I've ever had. I've switched up to the lure that I bought yesterday, and we'll see how that does. Because it seems like they already know what's up with the spinner bait. So let's see what happens. Alright, one hit it, but then quit it. One hit it, then quit it. It's crazy. I usually do not fish downstream, but there we go, beautiful. Let's see. There we go. We got one. We got one. Big one too. Come on, baby. Big one. Beautiful. First fish ever caught on the lure. Ah, that was fun. Big one, folks. I'm going to take that one with me. 14-incher. Alright, folks, we're moving on up the river, see what we can catch. Possibly some beautiful browns. I'm going to keep that lure on and see what we can do. I think I'm going to throw it into that current right there. I can possibly take something out from there, so let's see. Make sure our rod is in proper working area. I think I'm going to throw it. Oh, no, that's not where I want it. Oh, right away. Damn. Big one. Big brown. Big brown. Big brown. Look at that. Wow. That was fast. That is a big brown. Beautiful brown. Wow. That is a beauty. Beautiful brown. That must be about 16 inches maybe. We are taking that one home, folks. It looks like a 13-incher more or less. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Alright, here we go. Oh, there we go. Got another one. Rainbow. I'm letting this one go. Letting that one go. There we go. We're going to let this one go. Oh, there we go. There's another one. See that one? There's another one. Not sure. I'm going to go downstream. Beautiful fish. There we go. Got it. Got it. You hit it, boys. There he is. That's a pretty good size too. I think I'm going to keep that one, and that'll be my number 5. Well, folks, had a very wonderful day of fishing today at the Pecos River, Pecos, New Mexico. And this was my very first time fishing this river, and I have to say that for now it is my most favorite river. It's stunning. So if you ever have a chance, come check it out. Until next time, gone fishing. See you later.